Today is an exciting day because we're diving into the unboxing of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy.
Presenting the S24 Ultra.
Just announced, this flagship device is packed with new features, a sleek design, and a strong emphasis on AI improvements. Let's get right into it. As we open the box, the first thing we notice is the gorgeous titanium finish of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This new material not only adds durability, but also gives the device a premium feel. However, this does come with a slight increase in weight, but Samsung is betting on the durability factor. Moving on to the display, we're greeted with a 6.8-inch 1440-pixel flat screen, a departure from the curved edges of its predecessor. This change not only enhances the viewing experience, but also reduces the chances of accidental touches on the screen's edges. Flipping the device over, we see a significant upgrade in the camera department. The 10-megapixel 10x zoom from the previous model has been replaced with a 50-megapixel 5x zoom, promising improved image quality even at 10x. The AI-powered camera system continues to impress, offering a versatile and powerful photography experience. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, AI. Samsung has loaded the S24 Ultra with a plethora of AI features, including new image and video editing tools. The ability to turn any video into a 120 FPS slow-motion masterpiece is particularly impressive, showcasing the device's AI capabilities. The AI integration doesn't stop there. From Google's Circle to search feature to translation tools, the S24 Ultra is a powerhouse of AI functionalities. Phone call interpretation, text translation, and even live transcription in the voice recorder are just a few examples of how AI enhances the user experience. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra boasts a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset globally, ensuring powerful performance. The device also introduces Wi-Fi 7 for faster and more reliable connectivity. On a slightly disappointing note, the S24 series sticks to standard Qi wireless charging, missing out on the magnetic attachments seen in some other devices. However, the silver lining is the commitment to software updates, with Samsung promising 7 years of OS upgrades and security updates, offering excellent long-term value. Finally, let's talk about the price. The S24 Ultra starts at $1,299 for the 256GB variant, and pre-orders are available now with shipping beginning on January 31st. That wraps up our unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. From its sleek design to the powerful AI features, it's clear that Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what a flagship device can offer. Are you considering upgrading to the S24 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, this is Dixit signing off.